The roar of the chainsaw, the crack of splitting timber. Chips scatter as boards are shaped with precision. Brace yourself for an exciting journey. Every moment counts. Time to dive in.
Prepare to witness some of the most extreme and skillful tree felling techniques ever captured in this video. We follow expert lumberjacks as they tackle massive, towering trees with precision, strength, and skill.
Oj, 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 oj. Ja.
Prepare to witness some of the most extreme and skillful tree felling techniques ever captured in this video. We follow expert lumberjacks as they tackle massive, towering trees with precision, strength, and skill.
No way. No way.
It's gonna fall on his truck.
Looks like he got struck in the dark.
Yeah, he does. He's crazy.
Screw that bed up. Oh, it's starting to fall. It's falling. It's falling. Oh shit.
Is it?
Yeah, it's falling on the truck right now.
Oh crap.
Oh God! Oh no! Oh crap! Dang it! Oh, watch out! They're right.
Holy shit! Holy fuck!
Sluta kasta! Ben! Landade fan på stegen där.
Helvetet!
Ludvig!
Watch out! Let's. Yeah. Here we go. I bet it falls and hits our fence and breaks our fence. $20. Bet what you think it's gonna do in the comments.
भागो भागो! सब आइगो पहाड आइगो भागो
Prepare to witness some of the most extreme and skillful tree felling techniques ever captured in this video. We follow expert lumberjacks as they tackle massive, towering trees with precision, strength, and skill.
Watch it. That one could break too and fall backwards. Watch out! We're fucked.
Whoa! Kaboom! Mason! If you're gonna throw it hard enough to break it.
Oh shit.
Prepare to witness some of the most extreme and skillful tree felling techniques ever captured in this video. We follow expert lumberjacks as they tackle massive, towering trees with precision, strength, and skill.
Bunny over here.
Join us as we take a closer look at these awe-inspiring tree felling techniques and the dedicated professionals behind them.
Got it,